Hi guys, it's your friend Ballistic, and today we are checking out the beta for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and this thing is going to be unbelievable. So many new things: water warfare, slide canceling, diving, all kinds of cool things, new weapons, new attachments, new field upgrades, new finishing moves like you're about to see right here. But one of the coolest new things is the TAC camera field upgrade, the tactical camera. Now, the best way to use this thing is to throw it out on a wall or an elevated area like a roof, like you're going to see here in a second, where people can't notice it, can't see it very easily, but you can adjust and look at the video feed from this camera at any point during the map, at any place on the map, once you throw it out until somebody ultimately destroys it. Now, once you get up on an elevated area like this roof, once I take this dude out, what you're going to see is I'm going to throw it out on the opposite side of the roof and then peel back on the opposite side of the camera so that people can't see where I'm at. I can lay completely covered and pop it open, check it out, look around for enemies. That will be highlighted on the film when you see them. You can see it on the video feed right here, highlighted. Pop it off, pop up, take them out, and then go back to cover and recover. This thing is awesome, guys. This game is going to be amazing. Check out my how-to to tell you everything about the game that you need to know to blaze and dominate. All right, guys, I'm out. Be safe, be fun, subscribe, and believe.